What's going on, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day and fucking kicking ass, taking names, and doing what you love, because I'm about to do exactly that. I came over to Galpin because the guys at Galpin have managers meetings pretty much every Monday. So when Jeff told me that he was having a managers meeting, I said, hey Jeff, do you mind if I cater the whole thing? And he goes, well, we normally cater from our restaurant. And I said, I know, would you mind if we bring our tacos so that we can get a feel for it? So what I'm about to do, and this is nerve-wracking even though I'm not the one making the tacos, I'll introduce you to Alonso. Alonso used to come over to my birthday to just make tacos for everyone that came over. And each party got bigger and bigger and bigger, and every single one of my friends that came over was like, these tacos are fucking amazing. Legitimately to the point where others would turn around and go, do you have any leftovers the next day? Because I'd love to take some. And that escalated to the point where I couldn't even keep the leftovers because everyone just wanted them. That's why I said, oh my God, Alonso, we gotta open. That's how the idea came about. I'm not the talented one here, Alonso is. And Alonso knows how to run a restaurant and knows how to do all those things. That's how I can open multiple businesses and have people that know how to run them and then operations do others. Now, where are we gonna open our first restaurant? I can't tell you yet, but and this is why I'm doing this, because it's getting that hype ready, because I want all these Galpin guys to come over to the restaurant whenever we open it. So, and also, Hookah's in LA and he was asking me what's a good place to go get tacos. He couldn't show up in a better day, because the reality is we're gonna have these tacos, which I legitimately, personally believe 100% with every inch of my body are the best tacos I've ever had in LA. And I'm gonna show him that and then hopefully take him later to eat more tacos and he can tell me what he thinks. But that's no here nor there. I'm very, very nervous right now and anxious, even though I shouldn't be. These tacos are fucking bomb. And let's go see what happens. I parked like absolute shit. I'd fix it, but let's go, guys.
I have a rule. I have a rule with parking. So you know how when you run into these two lines?
Yeah.
As long as you're inside like
one and the other?
Yeah. As long as you're inside one of them, you're fine.
So hang on. So I'm good. I'm very good.
If you're like over this line, you shouldn't drive.
Of course. I agree.
Your license should be revoked.
And if a white person tells you that, guys, you know it's true. Pretty sure I spy Hookah right now. He's outside doing some vlogger stuff. There he is. It's that dude with the camera.
¡Las épicas y aparece este perro! ¡Cámara, ¡Epa!
Sabe que estás acá, perro. Hookah made it all the way to LA, baby!
I did!
What are you doing here?
that often, more often.
What are you doing here?
I'm here
It's
chilling
good to have
with
you.
my boy.
Yeah?
And I'm here because of my fucking birthday!
So we know that Farghini's gonna be getting a massive hangover soon because Farshad likes to party with Hookah. Don't ask me why, it's just weird. Farshad's actually terrified. Competition package. Oof. So Jeff is saying, well, not Jeff, Farshad's saying that he wants his name up there.
Jeff said he'll do it.
No.
Yeah, my name, just for Jeff, one day, just for one day.
Gotta be earned though.
Also, guys, Jeff is like the nicest guy on earth, and Farshad's like putting him in the worst position ever. But he's gotta earn it though.
Alright, I'll earn it. Everything's earned. I'll earn it.
Where do you want him to work? As a porter, washing dishes? We need something that he can actually do.
You want to do a salesman
Cars every day.
There you go.
Salesman contest? One day we become salesmen here?
No, you'd crush me. You'll crush me. I'd be like, are you getting this fucking car or not,
You
lady?
can fucking get it on.
So we're walking in right now towards wherever we're having this meeting. Very excited, but anxious. Jeff, you ready for some amazing tacos or what?
Listo, baby, I'm ready.
Yeah! So here we are with Jeff, and he's gonna tell us exactly what this meeting's all about, because I know it's a manager's meeting. That's why I plugged in my tacos.
So it's a very important meeting. We have it weekly. It's our owners, Bert, Bo, Jane Bachman, as well as all of our general managers from all of our stores, and the senior managers from some of our other departments. So the head of our rent-a-car facility.
Oh, okay.
Which we're going to be pinning down on the GTI, the Stinger while he's here.
Yes,
So we hope he really likes
good,
the tacos.
Good.
Tommy from Gas and a few other management. So really excited. It's our weekly meeting where we just go over, how things are going, a weekly update on things, and really get some feedback from our owners.
Well, thank you for giving us the opportunity to cater your event. And I can't wait for everyone to taste the tacos. It's gonna be epic, and for me to stuff my mouth with them. So, yeah, thank you. Alonso right here is the man behind the flavor, the most delicious tacos in LA. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Always ready. By the way, Alonso used to show up like with a small little cart back in the day to my place, and right now he serves like 4,000 people here and there. Like, it's fucking epic. It's been great to see you grow into this. So congratulations, brother. Now let's serve some fucking meat, Rodrigo. By the way, didn't you go somewhere this weekend where you got drunk and something?
Toques! Yeah, wait, let's keep that to each other.
No, I'll tell you guys everything about Rodrigo's trip right now. There's no question about it that one of the biggest challenges in making tacos and making the best tacos is you gotta get the Mexican seal of approval. I know I got Rodrigo's because Rodrigo and I are in this together, so I got it. But Juca is gonna be the one that's gotta, you gotta taste the taco and give us like your dead serious, honest opinion on them, okay?
I'm not gonna lie.
No bullshit.
I think I'm the perfect choice because I'm objective, I'm honest, and I love fucking tacos. So not fucking. I fucking love tacos.
Thank God.
Wait.
Okay, we're good now.
Remember, I'm from Mexico, so I still.
I get it the other way
It
around.
happens the other way around.
I know.
But here, you shouldn't fuck tacos. You get in trouble. Do not fuck.
No, I'm just gonna fucking eat tacos.
I gotta ask the real Mexican, how were the tacos?
I ate too much.
I think we all did.
10 tacos.
You legit had 10 tacos?
I ate 10 tacos and I'm full. I'm starting to get sleepy.
Okay.
But before I fall asleep, I'm gonna say something. This is the good shit. Good shit right here.
Is it really?
It is really. I'm an honest guy. First place, the carne asada steak.
Yeah.
Like smoky.
Yeah.
Second place, cochinita pibil. Third place, chicken. Fourth place, the other carne asada. Fifth place, pastor.
Oof.
I think that's good.
Oof, yeah. Honestly, it went really great. We had to get out of there because they were having their actual meeting. But Farghini, buddy, Rodrigo, you guys think it went well?
It went excellent.
I think so
The
too.
tacos are incredible.
Yeah.
How could it go
Can you
wrong?
get a salesperson to need some help, please? They waited 5 minutes.
I don't think that's gonna be.
Yes, we have a person very, very upset. Please come to the floor because he's pointing a gun at me. Quick.
Thank you. And I guess what we wanted to do right now was go-karting. MB2 go-karting. Jeffrey's the one who recommended this. Juca is the one who wanted to bet something against us and wanted to see what he could beat us at. And I guess go-karting is actually a very, very possible thing.
And also, okay, you gotta drive on the other side, right? You have to drive on the other side?
This is Mexico again.
It's not like Europe.
This is not.
No,
and also not in Europe either.
Farshad, come on!
And also, Jeff was telling me that the son of the owner, he's a young kid and he's an incredible race car driver. Like, he's actually won the category that he's in a couple times. I kind of want to get my ass whooped by a 16-year-old kid.
That sounds so wrong.
It's whoa, look at this. I didn't know your name was Papi. It's very impressive. So this is the first thing we need to do. We need to create a profile in here so they have all of our information. They can email us some special offers. So make sure to give him that.
Your security,
Your social
credit
security
card
number, of
info.
course, everything they need. And then we get to go. These are all electric go-karts, people. So, it's gonna be fucking crazy fun. Just like the ones we had in San Francisco, that was epic. Look at these guys. And that's basically gonna be our day because we got our work done early in the morning, which was the tasting, getting that ready, making sure that the guys at Galpin were happy with what we did for the managers meeting, which I believe they were. And I don't know, I'm so proud of Alonso, I'm so happy about this. And you know what, just gonna kick Hookah's ass, that's it. So first things first, we're gonna race with a group of other people that we don't know, so it's always dangerous, it's always nice and surprising. So right now we're not gonna give it the full beans, it's just gonna be a warm up for everyone. I see my speed races.
Yes, we're getting used to the track.
That's right.
The recognition.
That's right. And then right after that, Christian, who's already here, we're gonna close the track just for us, and Christian's gonna kick our asses.
Crank it up.
And at that point, we're gonna make a bet, right?
Yeah.
At that point.
I'm scared of that light falling off.
I thought we were here to race. What's going on now?
I'm just warming up. Hang on.
This became a full-on competition in any kind of things we can come
Oh,
across.
no.
This is the Mexican way.
It is.
Look at this one. Oh no. It's all physics.
Let's cut this out.
Game on.
There are no balls?
Oh, it says game unavailable. So you guys can't even play this anyways. Look, where are you going?
Let's ask him.
My mama told me never to give up. Step back.
Except the basketball.
Points.
160.
Precision.
Uno más.
All right, edit this out. Edit this out too. Edit this out too. Christian right here is the dude that's gonna wipe the floor with us right now. How many times have you lapped around here, Christian?
Over 1,000 races for sure.
And how old are you?
17, yeah. We opened up this place at 5 and ever since then, like basically 3 times a week I've been here, so.
And where can people see you race?
Red Bull Global Rallycross, I've been doing that for 3 years now. I've been in the GRC series and been racing outdoor go-karts since 5 years old too, so.
So there you go, everyone. Everyone tells me that I don't ever race professionals or anything like that. Here we are.
Here we are. Here we are. The moment of truth.
So, hey, good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Yeah, for sure.
Here's the deal. I don't know how to race. I don't know what fucking lines are, but I don't want them to know the lines. So I'm gonna be behind you.
Perfect.
And because you own this place, you're just gonna say, hey guys, we're gonna do one slow lap just to get a feel for things, but they don't know that you're showing me the line. Deal?
Deal. No problem, bro.
Okay, I gotta win this, or at least come in second place.
All right.
Okay, something very important we were talking about just now, and this is for real. We're competing against Christian, someone who can absolutely destroy us. Not can, someone that absolutely will. And he asked me, why are you so excited to get your ass kicked? Because every time you get your ass kicked by someone that's a level above or many levels above, you get elevated with them. I'm gonna get to see some shit that I never get to see, and I'm gonna get to learn that. So never stop doing shit because you don't know how it goes and because people can beat you. Just do it, elevate that game, next level shit. All right, so this time around, it's only gonna be us, nobody else, only the 5 of us. I'm on cart number 22, which is right here. Again, all electric power. They're gonna let us have all of the juice, 100% of the power. I am ready, baby. Farghini, get ready to eat it. Get ready to eat it? What? By the way, guys, we have an official bet in place. Whoever loses pays for bowling tonight, and all of the alcohol that gets consumed with it. You right?
Yeah, but whoever gets the worst time out of us all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the worst time for it.
The worst time pays for the booze.
You want to do it between you and me or with
What do
everyone?
you want to do between you and me? We can make a side bet.
Let's do it you and me.
All right.
Let's do that you and me. Sounds good? Hang on a second. Done.
It's a deal.
It's a deal. I am really gonna pay for this one. So just so y'all know, Hookah wanted to become a professional race car driver. So we're dealing with that too. God damn it. Good luck, homie.
Good luck, bro.
Farghini, good luck. Get ready to fucking eat shit right now.
If the track was set up how it usually is, all our lap times would be faster.
Really?
Because I always run 17s or 18s. So that means the track's not like the way you're just gonna hit all day long. It's not as fast as it is like normally set up. Yeah.
That was
so that's
crazy.
impressive. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, bro.
Thank you.
It
That
was
really
a
helped
pleasure.
me.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. No worries, guys.
Being right behind them helped me so much, like with the lines. Like it legitimately gave me a huge advantage. And even then
Yeah, me being in front of Hookah hurt him. I didn't want to see the blue and yellow flag, and I kind of brake checked him once or twice.
I was like,
and also, what kind of bad friend are you? I just lost like the bowling bet too. He won. You should have just stopped him completely. Christian, you're a fucking machine. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
It was fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
really
Thank you.
fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
legend, man. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.
All in, I think I can say that we had an incredible day. I am so excited for the taco stand right now, and especially because Jeff just hit me up and told me, Jeff at Galpin, and he told me that he got great feedback from everyone. And while we were there, I heard someone say, holy shit, I need to drive all the way to there to get these tacos. So that made me really, really, really happy. I'm really proud of Alonso. I'm really proud of all the boys. I had a blast with Hookah. I had a blast with Farghini. I had a blast with Buddy just doing the go-kart stuff. We're gonna go bowling right now, but we're not gonna film that. We're just gonna have fun off camera, and we'll see you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Farghini, what's your new job now? Why are you here?
Hey,
Are you sexting someone?
Can I speaking of, can I share something?
Yeah,
very
of course.
special, some good news?
Yeah.
And your boy's good to go.
Oh my God, this is gonorrhea and chlamydia. Good for you.
Your boy's back.
It does say negative. Yeah.